Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear cadets. In this lecture we will study two types of reactions, that is condensation and hydrolysis. Organic compounds involve two main reactions. One is condensation and the other is hydrolysis. First we will study condensation, which is also known as dehydration or polymerization, or it is anabolism, constructive process, making process or synthesis. So condensation is a chemical reaction whereby two simple molecules, monomers, are joined together to form a large molecule polymer with the removal of one water molecule. A chemical reaction whereby two simple molecules or small molecules, monomers, are joined together to form a large molecule polymer with the removal of one water molecule is called condensation or dehydration reaction. Or in simple words, condensation. What is condensation? A chemical reaction in which smaller molecules combine to form larger molecule with the removal of water. As water molecule is removed, so this kind of reaction is also called dehydration. This is actually anabolic process, that is the formation of large molecules. It is a synthesis or constructive process. Monomers in small molecules or simple molecules are the backbone of macro or large molecules or polymers. So polymerization, that is formation of polymers, is done by the process of condensation. Polymers are composed of many repeated units or molecules called monomers. Explanation: in condensation process, a hydroxyl group is removed from one monomer and hydrogen is removed from another monomer. Now some examples of condensation are, for example, when two glucose units, monomers, join together, they forming, for example, when two glucose molecules join together, they form a disaccharide sugar known as maltose with the removal of one water molecule. In this case, a hydroxyl group, OH group, is removed from one glucose, one monomer, and hydrogen from another monomer, resulting in the removal of one water molecule. This is a condensation reaction in which one water molecule is removed, and when this water molecule is added, it causes the breakdown of bond. So this is called hydrolysis. Similarly, when two monomers, that is glucose and galactose, combine, they form another disaccharide sugar, lactose, with the removal of one water molecule, and its opposite or reverse is hydrolysis. Similarly, when glucose and fructose, two monomers, two monosaccharide sugars, join together, they form a disaccharide sugar known as sucrose with the removal of one water molecule. Similarly, when three monomers, that is glucose, galactose and fructose, join together, they form a trisaccharide sugar, raffinose, with the removal of two water molecules. This is a trisaccharide sugar. When n number of glucose units or monomers join together, they form polysaccharides such as starch, glycogen, cellulose, with the removal of water molecule. Now hydrolysis. Hydro means water, lysis means breaking. It is a catabolism, the breaking of large molecules. It is the reverse of condensation, the process in which macromolecules or polymers are broken down into micromolecules or monomers by the addition of water. In this process, hydroxyl group from water attaches to one monomer and hydrogen attaches to the other and cause the breaking of bond. That is, hydro means water is involved in the breaking or lysis of bond or molecule. Both condensation and hydrolysis reactions need specific enzymes. Examples are the reverse of condensation. Thank you.